Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this cool animation in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already created a new empty project. The first thing what we need to add a rectangle, square, and create our own frame with bigger positioning to center and change the color to black. Go into the text, add heading, type in Japan, go into the font types, and we need to use this Extenda 30 as a font type. Just increasing the size a bit and changing the color to white and placing into our frame. To here. This one also positioning to the center, increasing the size a bit, or actually to like this, and just a small gap in the bottom. So no, again we move it to the down. So I just need to download this as a PNG. And select all and delete. So go into the elements, using the image what we want. Place it, be it outside of the Canva, like this. Going to animate and scrolling down until we find the photo zoom out and scale to the maximum. Like this, and going to the downloads and adding the image what we used, increasing the size, removing the background. Not even big enough. Nice. Okay. And going to the apps and searching for image blender. Now we need this one. Do not mix with the blend image. Now we need the image blender, and we need to select the image, linear, strength to the minimum, changing the direction a bit, like this. Click on save and go into the animate again and scrolling down to the baseline, enter up and the speed is down. And this is how we can create this animation. As you can see, I made a small mistake in the bottom part. This small line is here, so that this is why it's supposed to move the square, this rectangle to the bottom when we create the frame, or just place to here to hide this part. Or you can even move it down further, the image. This one, yeah. And in this case, there is this small line is not even visible there. still visible, might be 1 pixel, so we can even further down this text. Or this is why not supposed to be in the bottom. But this is also good. And this is how we can create this cool animation with these few easy steps in a Canva. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva, or just help me to reach more and more people just to feed the algorithm. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram and TikTok pages where you can find another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in Facebook, and of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.